Hello student of class 9th. Today I am going to discuss chapter first, that is number system. Before solving exercise we have some basic definitions like as natural number. What is natural number? First of all, natural number is represented by capital N. A number which exists in nature is called natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Why 0 is not a natural number? Because 0 is not exist in nature. Now whole number, it is represented by capital W. The number which consists of natural number and 0 is called whole number. Example 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Integer, it is represented by capital Z. The number system consisting of natural number and their negative and 0 is called integers. For example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now rational number. What is rational number? First of all, it is represented by capital Q. A number which can be written as in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0, and also P and Q are co-prime, that is P and Q have no common factor. This is the meaning of co-prime. Means P and Q have no common factor. Here example 1 by 2. 1 is what? Integer, and 2 is also integer, and 2 not equal to 0, that is Q not equal to 0. Similarly, other examples. Note, 0 is also a rational number because it can be represented in the form of P by Q as follows. 0 can be written as 0 by Q, where 0 and 1 are integers and 1 not equal to 0. Now real number. What is real number? The collection of rational and irrational number is called real number. Now to find the rational number between two numbers, let the two numbers are R and S, then rational number between R and S can be written as what? Suppose this is R1 is rational number, so it can be written as what? R plus S by 2. For example, by taking example we can understand very clearly. Find the rational number between 1 and 2. Then the rational number between 1 and 2 will be what? 1 plus 2 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Also we can use real number line to find rational number between two numbers. Take a above example, find rational number between 1 and 2. This is a real number line, and this is 0, -1, -2, this is 1 and 2. Now we want to divide this length between 1 and 2 into 10 equal part, 10 divisions. Taken 10 division between 1 and 2, so the number after 1, this number will be what? 1 plus 1 by 10. Why 1 by 10 we add here? Because all the length are divided into 10 equal divisions, so 1 division will be equal to 1 by 10. So this distance from here to here, this distance will be 1 plus 1 by 10, that is what? 11 by 10. So this will be the number 11 by 10. Similarly, the number on fifth division will be what? 1 plus 5 by 10, that is 15 by 10, that is 3 by 2. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number part 3 by 10, which is discussed above. This is discussed by another method. Now we can solve an exercise 1.1. Exercise first question is 0 irrational number, can you write it in the form of p by q, where p and q are integer and q not equal to 0? So answer is what? Yes, 0 is irrational number because it can be written as 0 by 1, which is of the form of p by q, where p equal to 0 and q equal to 0. Both are integers and q equal to 1 is not equal to 0. Means here 0 by 1 will satisfy all the conditions of rational number. Now second question is, find the sixth rational number between 3 and 4. The solution is, the sixth rational number between 3 and 4 is, now take 3 equal to 21 by 7, because 3 can be written as 21 by 7 and 4 can be written as what? 28 by 7. Using real number line, we have here 0, 1, 2, 3, and the distance between 3 and 4 can be divided into 7 equal parts. So each division will be what? Equal to 1 by 7. So this is the first rational number, that is 22 upon 7, that is 21 by 7 plus 1 by 7, because each division is equal to 1 by 7. So first rational number will be equal to 22 by 7. So similarly we can give answer that 6 rational number between 3 and 4 are 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24, and 25, 26, 27 upon 7. These are all the rational number between 3 and 4. Now next question is, find 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So solution is, the rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now take 3 by 5 as what? 30 by 50. Okay, by multiplying 10 on both sides of numerator and denominator, and this 4 by 5 also written as 40 by 50. So similarly, question number 2, we have answer, that is 5 rational number can be written as 31 by 50, 32 by 50, and 33 by 50, 34 by 50, and 35 by 50. That's all, student.